ready? 1, 2, 3. You just pour everything in. There's no measuring involved. Literally so simple and easy. You need blue and white to make your baby blue. Tap it in.
That doesn't look like baby blue.
Oh, that's looking like baby blue. This is the glow in the dark powder. Yay! This is what's gonna make it glow.
Yeah. The whole thing. Like good.
Yeah, keep going. And now we wait for just a couple of hours and then we'll come back and we will demold it. Coming back for part 2 on how his squishy turned out.
Yeah!